Hi! Tonight we are having the best of French fries, nachos, and tacos. So, French fries and tacos, always a huge hit in my house. Kids love tacos, they love French fries. So, you really can't go wrong, right? So, but sometimes, making the same old thing just kind of gets boring. So, doing the same taco or French fries and whatever every single time can get a little boring. And with this weekend being such a big weekend and trying to do a quick, nice spread that can feed, quite a few people, is what we're kind of, looking for this weekend, right? Something that's going to stay hot, something that is going to be good for the kids, that they're going to also want to eat. So this is going to be perfect. So we're using the stone bar pan because the stone's going to retain heat. So you can take this from your oven to your table. I definitely recommend a wire cooling rack, and it'll sit really nicely on our cooling racks, our baking cooling racks. That's what I have it on top of my stove right now. And the stone is going to retain the heat. So here, what I did for my lovely Game Day Eats dish, I am making Nacho Fries. So I got 2 pounds of regular frozen fries. You can use seasoned fries, of course. But I got regular frozen fries and tossed them in a bowl with taco seasoning. So you're going to want the equivalent of 2 packets of taco seasoning. And then I took 2 pounds of ground meat, browned it, made 2 pounds worth of taco meat. And then, to give that little kind of nacho cheese kind of taste here, I added Velveeta cheese into the meat. Just in the last minute after the taco meat is nice and done, but the heat is still on, just heat it through and then turn it off. So you're going to want to bake your fries, get those nice and done. And I love the stone too because, guys, your fries are going to cook so much better. Even frozen, okay? It doesn't matter if you do fresh cut, frozen. I do like doing fresh cut, but I wanted to do something that you could do quick, easy, doesn't take a whole lot of time. And then you're just going to top it with cheese. And then back into the oven for about 5 minutes. And you just, enough cheese to cover however much your heart desires, really. Probably about a good couple of cups. Alright. Alright, and this is that wire cooling rack. And these ones are stackable too. So they open up at the bottom and you can stack these. Great for your cookie baking. So now what we're gonna do is you just kind of get all of your nacho toppings, whatever you like. I've got some chopped tomatoes. I got diced tomatoes here in my 1-cup prep bowl. So I'm gonna get some sliced black olives opened up here. I've got my smooth edge can opener. This thing's amazing. So the smooth edge can opener, so easy. It kind of catches your can here. and you turn it. You start turning it to the right. See how it catches? And then you start turning, and then you'll feel when it gets to the other side. And then you just turn it right back. And then you have this button, and you push that, and it controls that there. So you can lift the top. I'm going to send this flying if I do that. Sometimes the glues on them do get stuck. But now this edge is not sharp here or this one. So it's really, really good. Okay. And I've got some shredded lettuce here. Don't really need that, I don't think. But one other thing that we're gonna do while our stone is finishing off with our nacho fries. So we're gonna make a lime cream sauce. So we're gonna use some Greek yogurt, milk, and lime juice and lime zest. So this is our this is our Cup Zester, and this thing is amazing. So I have already started zesting this, but look how cool this is. So you just take your lime, lemon, and you just start and it will turn with you. And you'll be able to zest every bit that you need. And it's so easy. And in the bottom, turn it the right way, it measures it for you. So I need 2 teaspoons, and it's measuring for me, so I'm at 2 teaspoons. So now I am going to get my handy dressing bottle here. I don't know if any of you would remember this product. It's like it's a mix and pour, and I got it a really, really long time. It was gifted to me. And it's one of my favorite dressing bottles. It's so easy and has some really nice recipes for dressings on the side of it. But I'm going to be able to just make this right in this bottle and shake it up. So I need half a cup. And it says sour cream, but we're going to use Greek yogurt. I like Greek yogurt. And anytime you can substitute sour cream for Greek yogurt, especially in a dressing like this. It's healthier, has a really nice flavor. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. So you can just pop this right out into here. From the measure all. Super cool, right? Okay. And I need 2 tablespoons of milk. I got my favorite little adjustable measuring spoons here. Okay, and I need a tablespoon of lime juice, okay? Now, I do not have a citrus press, so I'm going to make a few lines in this lime. This is going to make it easier for me to squeeze. And I'm going to squeeze it right here into this prep bowl. So a little bit in there, so might as well put that in there too. There you go. Alright. So, we've got our yogurt, we've got our milk, we've got our lime juice. Now we need our zest. I can pop that right open, and there's my zest. And now, because of this nice, convenient, handy-dandy bottle, I can shake that up, and it is done and ready to go. All right. Now I am going to go check on our fries. All right. And there you go. And now you will top it with just whatever you like. You can put everything here in like our cool and serve, our tomatoes, your olives. You can even put your lettuce in there. You can make a nice little taco bar with it. I tell you what would be extremely helpful product for this especially would be our prep and store system with the the way that you can prep all of your products, all of your produce right into those little containers, and then it stores just like a little 12-pack of soda right into your refrigerator, and then you can pull it out and there you go. All of your taco bar, your nacho bar prep is all ready to go. So this great, fast, wonderful way. Everybody can customize it the way that they like. I also have a homemade guacamole that I made. It is the easy guacamole recipe from Pampered Chef that I will show you. Get that out. So this, just a few simple ingredients in the food processor. Very, very fast, very easy. And here you go. You've got your nacho fry night. So get this on your game day menu. And these stones, I'm telling you, this is going to stay nice and hot all the way through dinner. Everybody will be able to get their first and seconds, thirds, whatever they like, and it's still going to be hot. So I promise you, stoneware, fantastic investment. All right, have a good night.